So when I first started my business, everything I read was about scaling. Build a team, create a course, add a digital product, outsource, automate, expand, grow, na 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 na. Na. And sure, for some people, that's the dream. But what I quickly realized is that I didn't actually want to build a huge operation. I just wanted to make good money doing work I enjoyed while still having the freedom to take a nap with my kid and just, shut my laptop early if I felt like it. And that's when it hit me. I don't need to build a business that scales. I just want to get paid well. There's this idea that kind of floats around. I feel that growth only looks like more clients, more services, more revenue streams, and more everything. But what if growth just looks like better clients or higher value offers or just finally charging the rates that reflect the experience and value that you bring to the table? And here's what happened when I started shifting my focus. I stopped worrying about trying to grow for the sake of growth and instead looked at how I could structure my services to give me the income that I needed without giving up my time. So, how did I actually manage to do that, and how can you do it for your business too? First, look at your pricing. Are you charging based on time or based on the value that you provide? If it takes you 1 hour to do something that saves your clients 10 hours, that's worth more than just your hourly rate. Package your services in a way that focuses on the outcome rather than the time that it takes to get it done. Second, simplify your offers and your services. You don't have to do everything and be everything to everyone. Get really good at a specific thing and make that your focus. The more streamlined your services are, the easier it is to deliver them efficiently and profitably. And also, the easier it is for your clients to make decisions about what it is they want to hire you for. Third, build systems, templates, workflows, automations, anything that saves you time is money in your pocket. I use simple tools and like repeatable processes, so I'm not reinventing the wheel every single time with each client. And fourth, this one's very important. Work with people who respect your boundaries. This one changed everything for me, to be honest. When I stopped bending over backwards for people who just didn't value my time, I had more space for the clients who actually did. And those are the ones who are happy to pay my rates. So, with all of these changes, I'm very excited that right now I'm almost at the point where I'm making as much as I made at my full time job, but I'm only working on average maybe like 3 hours a day. I'm not scaling in the traditional sense of getting more clients or selling more. I'm not building a giant team. I have no desire to. And I don't have a huge audience or flashy branding. But what I do have is a business that fits my life, pays me well, and leaves room for the things that matter most to me. So, yes, it is possible to have a tiny roster of amazing clients and still hit your income goals without burning out or running a mini corporation out of your living room. So instead of stressing about how to grow bigger, maybe, just maybe, the better question is how can you make your current setup work better for you? Scaling isn't bad, but it's not the only path and it's not for everyone. For some of us, the goal isn't to build an empire, it's just to build a business that actually supports the life that we want. And if that sounds like you and you can relate, I promise it's enough. You're allowed to just get paid well and enjoy your work and make time for the things that truly matter in your life.